So yes, today we are going to start new wallets review that's name is Coin98. Yes, if you need to use multiple chains, so you can use this wallet. But I'm not giving to any financial advice. It's depend on you. If you want to use this wallet, first of all, you must complete your research. After that, you can use it. Okay. But in this video, I'm giving you information how to download this wallet and how to create account and how to save your backup places. If you want to get this information, so please must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. So viewers, if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wars. So first of all, I'm going to open Coin98 website, and first we need to open google.com. Now you can see here google.com is open in front of me, and I'm going to type here Coin98 Wallet. Now Coin98 Wallet is open in front of me. You can see here the official link is available here, coin98.com, and an all-in-one DeFi platform. So first we need to click on it. Then you can see here the official website of this Coin98 will be open in front of you after some time when your page is load. Okay. I'm also going to open the extension because I'm using this time Opera, so that I need to download and install in this browser, and then we will create an account. Okay, you can see here all-in-one DeFi platform, and there is 98 Coin98 Finance, and you can see the product is available here. Coin98 Wallet, Exchange, Market, Portfolio Wallet, and you can also see here the trade Uniswap, SushiSwap, Pancake, and also QuickSwap, and available wallet option here, and market and campaign. You can also get more information about this wallet from this main page. They shown the cryptocurrency. They have also their own coin. The coin name is C98, means coin 98. The stamp price is 36 cent only. Keep in your mind, I'm going again to giving you information about coin 98, and keep in your mind, before going to use this wallet, you complete your research. Okay, 750 million trading volume this time, and almost you can also use swap token in a minute. So we are going to download the wallet. Simple click on wallet option. You can see here there's wallet option. After that, the new page will be open in front of you where you can download the wallet. The new page is going to open in front of me because I am using laptop, so that I need to download extension of my browser. And now you can see here there is wallet is shown. You can also connect your wallet, but I need to download the extension of this coin98 wallet. So what will I do? I again open google.com, and then simple right here coin98 wallet, and you can see here there is shown Google Chrome extension. If you properly view, you can see here Google Chrome extension. I have clicked on that link, and now the Coin98 wallet will be open in front of me. You can see here almost 643 review and 50,000 plus user use. I'm click on open Opera head extension, and now the wallet is going to download, and after that we will create account. Okay, so you can see here the wallet is extension is shown here, simple pin, and now open the icon of 98. Now as you can see here, the main interface is open in front of me, Coin98 Wallet. There's two options. First option is create account. Second option is restore a wallet. So I need to create account because we are newcomer on this wallet, and first we need to create account and take the backup of our wallets. So I just simple click on create account. Okay, so I'm going to click on it, and now you can see here we will use this password to encrypt your data. You will need to password to unlock this app, and I'm going to enter the password, text password or metric password. So I simple click on text password. It's depend on you. Metric password, drag and drop your number into your coordinate. So I think I select best for me password. Going to enter my password here. I'm going to enter my strong password like my bank account, and also confirm password. You can see here at least 8 characters. So you know my wallet password is 8 character plus, so that the green line shown here. Okay, simple setup password. When setup password, you can see here your password has been set. Click on OK, and now there is you can use the or add the blockchains which is want to you are going to use. Let's suppose I need to use Ethereum, BNB, and also Tron. It's depend only you, and you can see here there is chain also available, Polygon, OKX exchange, and Terra too. So I'm going to click on Polygon and Terra. Okay, I have select the blockchains, active blockchains. Click on confirm button, and now you can see here there's multi chains and near protocols and Polygon. So I need to use multi chain. Now I need to set the wallet password, the wallet name. Let's suppose my wallet. It's optional. It's depend on you which name you are going to set here. My wallet. Okay, simple click on next. Now keep your recovery phrases and private key and a safe place, and don't share them with anyone. Okay, so this is my recovery phrases. Just a simple copy and enter your phrases here. Again, I will also save this recovery phrases in my notepad file, and I will save this notepad file in safe place and make the multiples copy because this is necessary for me. First I need to copy, and you can just simple paste here, and also save this places in your notepad file or any other safe place. Okay, this time I am not saving. I just simple copy, and after stop this video I will save these places. Okay, you can, if you lose my recovery places, there is no way to recover my wallet. Understand? Going to click on create a wallet. Now viewers, you can see here we have successfully create Coin98 wallet, and I have click on expand view. At this time you can see here my wallet is shown here, and I have not any balance, and by default the token shown or coin shown here atoms, matic, luna, avalanche, near, solana. So I will give you more information about this wallet, how to find the phrases, how to deposit, how to withdrawals, in my incoming videos. So must watch in my incoming videos and very informative. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.